Hello! We're going to go over questions 1 to 5 that appeared in the Foundation GCSE Paper 3 in June 2017. I recommend pausing the video after the question is shown so you can try it yourself. Then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. This is question 1. We're given a table showing the lengths of 5 rivers. We're asked to write down the rivers in order of length for part A, and part B is asking you to show that Amy is correct in saying the River Thames is more than 3 times as long as the River Don. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. Part A asks us to write down the rivers in order of length. We can see 112 is the smallest length for the River Don. Then we have 113 for the Mersey. And then 297 for the River Trent. Then the Thames. And the Severn. So we need to write the names in order here. So we've got Don, Mersey, Trent, Thames, and Severn. Amy says the River Thames is more than 3 times as long as the River Don. In part B, we're asked to show that Amy is correct. The River Don is 112. 3 times this length is 336. The River Thames is 346. And 346 is more than 336. These are both worth 1 mark. For part A, writing the names of the rivers in order gives you that 1 mark. They will also accept if you'd have put the numbers down instead. So either of these will get you the 1 mark. In part B, you get the mark for showing that 3 times the length of the River Don is 336 and that 346 is more than that amount. This is question 2. We're told cups are sold in packs and in boxes. There are 12 cups in each pack and 18 cups in each box. We're told Alison buys P packs of cups and B boxes of cups. We're asked to write down an expression in terms of P and B for the total number of cups Alison buys. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We want to know how many cups there are in P packs. there are 12 cups in each pack and we have P packs, then the total number of cups will be 12 cups times the P packs, which we can write as 12P. We also want to know the number of cups in B boxes. There are 18 cups in each box, so there will be 18 cups times by B boxes, which we can write as 18B. To find the total number of cups, we need to bring these two terms together. We have 12P cups from the packs and we have 18B cups from the boxes. This question is worth 2 marks. If you get 12P or 18B, that is worth 1 mark. They will also give this 1 mark if you write P plus B. The full 2 marks are for if you write 12P plus 18B. This is question 3. We're given 4 digits. We're asked to write down the smallest possible 2-digit number that can be made with 2 of the digits. We're also asked to write down the 3-digit number closest to 200 that can be made with 3 of the digits. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. The first part asks us to write down the smallest possible 2-digit number that can be made with 2 of the digits. We want this number to start with the smallest of these numbers, so 1. And then we go for the next smallest number, which is 5. So 15 is the smallest possible 2-digit number that we can make using 2 of those digits. The second part asks us to write down the 3-digit number closest to 200 that can be made with 3 of the digits. To be either side of 200, we either need our number to be 100 and something or 200 and something. We have a 1, so we can be 100 and something. To be as close as possible to 200, we then need to use the largest digit possible, which is a 9, followed by the next largest digit. So our answer is 196. These are both 1 mark questions, and you get the marks for the answer of 15 for the first part and 196 for the second part. This is question 4. We're told 4/5 of a number is 32, and we're asked to find out what that number is. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. For these types of questions, I like to draw a bar to represent what's going on. So our full amount is represented by the full bar. We're told 4/5 of the full amount is 32. which means these 4 blocks out of the 5 represent 32. If we share the 32 between these 4 blocks, we find each block is worth 8. And as we broke the bar into 5 equal pieces, this final block must also be worth 8. This means the full amount is going to be found by doing 5 times 8. This is a 2-mark question. 1 mark is for seeing that you divide by 4 or times by 5. The 2nd mark is for getting the final answer correct. If you get the answer of 40, you will get the full 2 marks. This is question 5. We're told a path is made of white tiles and grey tiles. 1/4 of the tiles are white. We're asked for part A to write down the ratio of white tiles to grey tiles. We're then told that there are a total of 56 tiles, and for part B, we're asked to work out the number of grey tiles. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We're told a path is made of white tiles and grey tiles. We're also told that 1/4 of the tiles are white. Here we can see that the white to grey tiles, where I've shaded in the 3 parts to represent grey, means that we've got 1 part is white and 3 parts are grey. For part B, we're told there are a total of 56 tiles and we're asked to work out the number of grey tiles. Previously, we were told 1/4 of the tiles are white. This means 3/4 of the tiles are grey. So we want to find 3/4 of 56. Again, we can use a bar to help us if we want. So we know that if this full bar is worth 56 and we break it into quarters, then each block will be worth 56 divided by 4, which is 14. We want 3/4 of the 56, so we're going to look at 3 of the 4 blocks. So we want to do 3 times 14. And this gives us an answer of 42. Part A is worth 1 mark. You get this for giving the answer of 1 to 3. Part B is worth 2 marks. Showing that you're dividing by 4 gives you 1 mark. and finding the final answer gives you the second mark. If you get the answer of 42, you will get the full 2 marks.
I hope you found that helpful.